Hi everyone, here is how your grades will work for this class. So if you look at the sample I'm showing you here, you see the grading scale above. Quizzes are 35%, projects are 25%, and tests are 40%. So below I've put some sample grades. So for example, if you took the Chapter 1 vocab quiz and got a 75, then the Chapter 1 grammar an 80, and a Chapter 2 vocab quiz a 90, your average on quizzes would be an 82%. All I did was add these three numbers and divide them by 3 to get this average. Then you've only done one culture project, you got 100, so your project average is 100. And then you took two tests, the Chapter 1 test and the Chapter 1 translation test for an 85 and a 65. You average those two, that's a 73%. Now, in order to get your overall average, we go back up here and we use these percentages. So if your average on quizzes is an 82%, we'll multiply that by 0.35, which is 35%. And that comes out to, let's see, 82 times 0.35. Let's see, is 28.7. 28.7. So out of a possible 35% for quizzes, you've earned 28.7 of those. This one's easy because we just have to multiply it by 25.25. And out of a possible 25%, you've now earned 25% of that possible 25% because you have 100. And finally, on the test average, 73%, we're going to multiply that times 0.40 to see how much of that 40% 73% is. And what we do is we multiply 73 times 0.40, and it's 29.2. 29.2. So then what we do is we take these three grades right here, this 28.7, this 25 right here, and this 29.2, and we add them all up, and that gives you your grade out of 100. So let's add those up right now. 28.7 plus 25 plus 29.2 equals an 82.9. So your overall average based on these grades is 82.9. You don't have to do this, and actually neither do I, because PowerSchool does it for us. But that is how everything works. So you might say to me, oh, well, I got 100 on those last two things, but those last two things might be entirely different categories. This is how your grading works. If you have any further questions, please ask me, and I will explain it to you. Thank you.